Standard 4th, subject English 1. Chapter 4, The Tiger Gets a Fright. Play with words. Worksheet. Write the names from the box under the correct heading. So this is the option given. Okay. Panda, butterfly, cockroach, swallow, robin, jackal, ant, leopard, sparrow. Now students, 3 columns है हमारे पास, mammals, insects and birds. ये ऑप्शन को हमें 3 कॉलम्स में फिल करना है. ओके. Now panda is an mammals. Okay. Butterfly, insects. See, here is the answer. मैमल्स के कॉलम में पांडा, जैकल, लेपर्ड. इंसेक्ट्स में बटरफ्लाई, कॉकरोच, एंट. बर्ड्स, शैलो, रॉबिन, स्पैरो. ओके, दिस इज द आंसर. यू हैव टू राइट इन ईच कॉलम. Say it right. K. Say this words aloud. सर्कल द साइलेंट लेटर. ये सारे वर्ड्स को हमें प्रोनाउंस करना है लाउडली. एंड हमें सेकेंडली क्या एक और वर्ड करना है कि जो वर्ड साइलेंट होता है ना उसको सर्कल करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाइफ. नाइफ अगर हम बोलते हैं तो के साइलेंट होता है स्टूडेंट. ओके. काम, मसल, आलमंड, डिजाइन, डाउट, नील, आंसर, नाइफ, whom, autumn. Now see, look at the letters which is silent. काम का L silent है student. Muscle C silent. Almond L silent. Design G silent. Doubt D silent. Kneel K silent. Answer W silent. Knife K silent. Whom W silent. Autumn N silent. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. If no article is needed, put a cross. See, a and the. A कब यूज होता है? कंसोनेंट. and vowel. the स्पेशल नेम. एंड स्टूडेंट अगर ब्लैंक में आर्टिकल नीडेड नहीं हो तो हम क्या करेंगे? वहां पर क्रॉस कर देंगे. मीन्स वहां पर कोई आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं है. मीना हैड डैश एट डैश टोस्ट एंड डैश ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. हर मदर ऑफर्ड हर डैश सीरियल एंड डैश जूस बट शी डिड नॉट वांट एनी. आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट मीना वेंट टू डैश बस स्टॉप विथ हर मदर. देयर वाज डैश बेंच एट डैश बस स्टॉप. मीना sat on the dash bench with her friends. It was dash pleasant morning. There was little dash traffic on the road. Dash cool breeze was blowing and it looked as if there would be dash rain later in the day. Dash school bus did not come on dash time. The children didn't mind. Meena asked her mother for dash money to buy ice cream during the break. Mummy said she was not carrying her purse, but would buy Meena dash ice cream at dash park in the dash evening. Finally, dash bus came and dash children went to school happily. Meena had an egg, a toast, and a glass of milk. Her mother offered her. See, यहाँ पे हमने क्रॉस कर दिया स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज यहाँ पर किसी भी ए एंड द का नेसेसरी नहीं था. After breakfast, Meena went to the bus stop with her mother. There was a bench at the bus stop. Meena sat on the bench. It was a pleasant morning. There was a little क्रॉस कर दिया स्टूडेंट. देखो, ट्रैफिक ऑन द रोड. अ कूल ब्रीज वॉज ब्लोइंग एंड इट लुक्ड एज इफ देयर वुड बी डैश रेन लेटर इन द डे. क्रॉस है यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पे कोई आर्टिकल नहीं आएगा. The school bus did not come on time. Meena asked her mother for money to buy ice cream during break. Mummy said she was not carrying a purse but would buy Meena an ice cream at the park in the evening. Finally, the bus came and the children went to the school happily. Fill in the blanks with words from the box, each word used only once. Okay. Now this is the option. Okay. My, your, their, this, that, those. और ये सारे वर्ड हमें सिर्फ वन टाइम यूज करना है ब्लैंक्स में. See, as such 6 blanks and 6 options are there. Look at dash birds on the tree. Birds है स्टूडेंट, तो those आएगा. प्लूरल फॉर्म, सिंगुलर होता तो that आता. Dash beaks are quite red. I can see them clearly through dash binoculars. Dash bird in the bush here is grey and brown. Yes, dash one is bulbous. Did you bring dash bird book? Look at those birds. Their beak. My, this, that, your. This is the answer, okay? Understanding the poem. Complete this sentence about the poem. Complete the sentence, say student. If you want to feed a dragon, give him hot spicy food because dragons. Second, dragons like to finish their meal. If you want to feed a dragon, give them hot spicy food because dragon like all kinds of fierce food. Dragons like to finish their meal with some of the very strongest meat. B. What do dragons like? Match the column. Spicy prawns, red hot, pickled sausage, pepper, deep fried. In mustard, mango, chilies, crab. In vindaloo, limes. See the इस तरह से हमें कॉन्फिगरेशन दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट का ई है, सेकेंड सी, थर्ड एफ, फोर्थ ए, 5 डी, 6 बी. Work with a partner. Write a word of your choice to rhyme with this word from the poem. Toast, crab, mint. See, here is the answer. Boost, cost. Crab, scrap. Hint, sprints. Look at these pictures of imaginary creatures and read their description below. Write the correct number on the blank to match the names of the creature with their description. Mermaid, fawn, fairy, dragon, elf. ये सारे imaginary character है स्टूडेंट, ये किसी ने reality में देखे नहीं है. Here is the sentences. It is a huge bird like an eagle that never dies. It lives in water. It has the upper body and head of the human and the tail of fish. It is large reptile-like creature with wings set to blow fire from its mouth. It is a creature that has human form but the legs and horns of a goat. It is a creature with wings. It has magical powers and sometimes carry a horn. It has human form with pointed ears. It has magical power and is mischievous. फॉर्म करना है हमें नंबरिंग में. ओके, सी। तो फर्स्ट का जो था वो 6 नंबर है, फर्स्ट, फोर्थ, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ। CW 1 time, HW 2 times in notebook. Thank you.